how to change chat theme on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application, and then here on your home page on the upper right, you'll see the messenger icon. Click on messenger icon and it will lead you here to your chat section. Now, all you have to do is to choose the chat that you want to change your theme on. So for example, this one, for example, I have this theme, right? Now if you wish to change that one, all you have to do is to click on that person's name, and then here you will see the theme section here. Click on that and choose the theme that you want to change it with. So for example, I want to have bloom here. Tap on bloom. As you can see, it is now changed. Now if you go back here to the chat section, you have now successfully changed your chat theme on Instagram, and basically that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.